Can you solve this? Let's see. Oh, I got it. Let's start with 10 plus 3. This is going to be easy. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Let's write that down. And now we have 13 multiplied by 2. 13 multiplied by 2 equals 26. Therefore 10 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 26. I am so smart.
Not really. Mathematical calculations cannot be done in a random manner. You have to follow what is called the order of operations. This tells you the exact sequence to follow in your calculations. So here is the sequence. Always work out what is in brackets first. Then orders or exponents, followed by division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. For division and multiplication, move from left to right. For addition and subtraction, also move from left to right.
Okay, so let us look again at this math problem, and see if we can use the correct mathematical order of operations to solve it. Looking at our example, we can see that there are no brackets, no orders, no division and no subtraction. There are only two operations, namely addition and multiplication. So we need to start with multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. So now we can write 10 plus 6, which is equal to 16. And therefore 10 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Let's look at another example. Remember, always start with brackets. In the brackets we have 4 plus 2 which equals 6. So our expression simplifies to 20 minus 6 multiplied by 3. What should we do next? I hope you thought, multiplication. 6 times 3 is 18. So now, all we are left with is 20 minus 18, which is 2. So in summary, 20 minus open bracket, 4 plus 2, close bracket, multiplied by 3, is equal to 2.
Now try and solve this one by yourself. Share your answer in the comments, and subscribe for more.